Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I achieved this style. These were 2 out of the 4 box dyes I used to dye my hair. But my first step was to take down my braids. Now I know some of you may be asking, did she really use 4 boxes? Yeah, I did. So I only use 4 boxes so my hair can actually take the color. Now that my braids are out and parted into sections, I've asked my friend to come in and help me so that I wouldn't miss any blind spots while dyeing it. So now that my hair is dyed, I'm going to let it sit before washing it. However, after washing the dye out, I was not pleased with the color, so I gave my hair a 24-hour break before buying 2 more boxes and re-dyeing it. So y'all, this is the final color after washing the second set of dye out, and I really like it. At this point, I know I just took my hair out and applied dye to it, so I'm going to let it deep condition and let my hair sit overnight. So now that my hair is thoroughly washed out, I'm going to apply the As I Am Vitamin E oil. Now it's time for my favorite part, styling. I grab my perm sets and my choice of product. I use Shea Moisture's Strengthen and Restore Conditioner and also Creme of Nature's Curl Activator. Now, I know most people suggest using a styling foam, but I didn't have that at the moment. So I used what I had, and my style still came out the way I liked it. First, I made sure my hair was well lathered in product. I 2-strand twisted my hair at the root. Then I grabbed my perm rod. I stretched my hair and began to wrap it neatly around the perm rod. And apply more product if necessary. Then we roll her up and snap the ends. Now that the perm rods are in, I wrap my hair and allow it to dry naturally. Okay, so I'm gonna take these bad boys out today. Who's that, Lily? Who's that girl? Now that the perm rods have been taken out, I grab a decent amount of coconut oil and lather my hands with it, making sure that my fingertips are well oiled. Then I gently separate the curls to my liking. Finally, I pick my hair out at the root to my liking without combing out the curls before pinning it up. Y'all, this is the final product. Like, this is how it came out. Like, when I say perm bronze are my new best friend, like, I think they turned out better than I expected, though, for real. Like, I really do like it. Has a lot of bounce to it. But y'all know what to do, you know? If you want to see more tutorials or more hairstyles or me to attempt anything for real, because this is literally just me attempting stuff, and if it works out, it works out. So, like, let me know what you want me to try next.